Hello everyone, I am Vardhan Reddy. Basically, I am from Hyderabad. I have completed my BTech in CSE in Guru Nanak Institution Technical Campus in the year 2020. I got a job offer with KPMD Software Solutions with 2.9 LPA. After the completion of my graduation, I searched for a job, but I didn't get any success. I heard about Evision through online platform. The internship module is well defined and well structured, covering everything about tracking problems and handling solutions in a company while doing job. The trainers are well qualified and the supportive staff also. It was a great experience with Evision. Thank you so much, Evision.
Thank you, Evision.
Join Evision, join job.